Number 5.
In a bid to augment the capability to conduct special operation in harbour and at sea, Indian Navy has started the process to procure special operation rigid hull inflatable boats from global manufacturers. India is also planning to acquire landing platform docks vessels. This is part of India's long-desired capability to build an independent amphibious group modeled on US Marines. So, let us get into the details.
Number 4.
During the Indo-Pakistani War of 1971, the Indian Navy supported the landing operations against the Pakistani base of Cox's Bazar termed as Operation Jackpot, landing an army brigade using Polnochny-class landing ships without significant resistance. Need for specialized units with correct equipment were understood from then onwards.
Number 3.
High-speed, high-buoyancy, extreme weather rigid hull inflatable boat, can be used by Indian Navy Marcos as well as other units for insertion or extraction and marine interdiction operations. The unique capability that these possesses is its 40-knot speed in blue or brown water, and survivability in adverse weather conditions, being able to stand up in a sea state 6 with winds upwards of 46 knots. Sea state 6 is a measurement as used by the World Meteorological Organization and ranges from 0, no waves with calm conditions to 9, over 14 meter high waves with phenomenal conditions. Navy wants 10 such boats. Indian Navy has the following requirements. 1. These must be capable of carrying 12 personnel including mission and craft crew, or minimum payload of up to 2,200 kg excluding fuel. Boat should have endurance of 400 nautical miles at 50-knot top speed. 2. As per the requirements set by the Navy, craft should be fitted with very high-frequency or high-frequency SATCOM systems, high-definition warning set radar, and other essential navigation and communication equipment. 3. Forward and aft mounts, for the fitment of 12.7 mm caliber weapons and suitable firing positions for short tripod-launched heavy weapons like grenade launchers. 4. To assist in reducing the shock during heavy sea, Indian Navy prefers carbon fiber layered hull with a foam core and should have an outer layer of Kevlar for additional support.
Number 2.
Landing platform docks vessels are needed to transport troops and heavier elements like tanks. To enhance the amphibious capability, Indian Navy will also soon open commercial bids for procuring 4 new landing platform docks amphibious warships. The 4 ships will cost approximately $3.7 billion, and is expected to be delivered to Indian Navy in the next 10 years. Currently, India's amphibious warfare capability consists of 9 older tank landing ships of various sizes and capabilities. India operates Sharjeel and Magar class ships. They can carry 10 armored vehicles, 11 armored personnel carriers and more than 500 troops.
Number 1.
Indian Navy had conducted exercise with US Navy Special Operation Forces in such boats during Malabar exercise in last 2 years, and has been closely inspecting the capabilities of US Marines along with the equipment used by them. With increasing need to deal with conventional and non-conventional threats in areas accessible through waterways, Indian Navy has taken the initial steps to form a unit in line with US Marine cooperation. It remains to be seen how the Indian Navy is able to develop these capabilities in coming days.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting. Kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.